Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta, joining you live from the Ebix Cash studios. We continue to get you more of the breaking news updates coming in from Maharashtra politics. But let's also get you more of the politics that is brewing over Shaheen Bagh protests. After allegations that women were being paid to sit there in a shift to continue the Shaheen Bagh stir, now there's more breaking news coming in. The BJP has now attacked the Shaheen Bagh protesters for abusing Hindu symbols. A poster at Shaheen Bagh protest insulting the Hindu symbol of the swastika has come to light yet again. This isn't the first time when the swastika has been abused. Sambit Patra tweeting that people who insulted the symbol are the same ones who shout Bharat ki Barbadi at JNU. So both the political and the ideological battle over what's going on as part of these anti-CAA protests continues. My colleague Piyush is joining us with more details. Piyush, tell us more of what the BJP is saying now.
Shivani, a tweet has come out. And this tweet has been done by a national spokesperson for Bharatiya Janata. Well, yes, I was telling you that a tweet has come out which has been done by BJP's national spokesperson Sambit Patra, where he has come out with a poster which is seen there during the protests against CAA there at Shaheen Bagh. And that poster, I can clearly see that poster in my hands. And in this particular poster, Sambit Patra, has tweeted which reads "Hum dekhenge," and in that particular poster, it's also mentioned no NRC, no CAA, where Sambit Patra quotes and Sambit Patra tweets, and I quote, "हम देखेंगे तो ये शाहीन बाग वाले CAA के प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पर दरअसल यही देखना चाहते हैं." He continues to write that हिंदुओं के पवित्र चिन्हों की बर्बादी, पवित्र स्वास्तिक की बर्बादी. This is what Sambit Patra has tweeted. This clearly indicates that another political controversy has now erupted, where we are expecting BJP to raise this issue, where they have raised it. Sambit Patra has tweeted this. Not only Sambit Patra, but similar posters have been tweeted by many Twitter handles, which are right-wingers. Now Sambit Patra has come out and he has tweeted this poster. Now we'll have to wait and watch from where this poster has come out, because it's important to know did this poster even surface there during the protest. Let us also tell to our viewers that for the last more than 1 month, the protesters are sitting there at Shaheen Bagh and they are demanding that CAA should be taken back. They are saying that they are not going to vacate the roads. Also, the matter is being heard in High Court, where High Court has already asked Delhi police to take proper actions. But even before the controversy settles down, Sambit Patra has tweeted a poster where he is now saying that wake up before it's too late. This is what the tweet of Sambit Patra says. We'll have to see how the other parties are going to react. But this time on the issue of Hindutva, again, the BJP has come out, where they are, tweeting. Sambit Patra, national spokesperson of BJP, has tweeted this. And all these things are happening just before few days of elections in national capital. Similar protests are taking place in different parts of city. In New Silampur also, there are women who are now sitting on indefinite strike, demanding that a CAA should be taken back. At Shaheen Bagh itself today, also the protest continues, where the protesters are demanding that there should be no NRC, no CAA. Now Sambit Patra has come out with this poster. We'll have to wait and watch how other wings are going to react. But BJP has made its position clear, where BJP's national spokesperson is asking people to wake up before it's too late.
All right, Piyush, stay with us. Let's go across to Vinod Bansal, the VHP, now joining us. Mr. Bansal, what's your response? Because this is not the first time where Hindu iconography or Hindu symbols have been used as means of this protest, which obviously raised the question if the protests are against a certain community and certain religion or for a certain community. What's your take?
देखिए, ये कोई सीए के विरोध में, कोई एनआरसी के विरोध में, या एनसीआर के विरोध में, कोई ऐसा कुछ एनपीआर के विरोध में नहीं है. ये प्रोटेस्ट बेसिकली ये अपनी बढ़ास निकालना है. ये जो जिहादी गतिविधियां हैं उसको तेज करने और पब्लिक को ऊपर एक तरह से एट्रोसिटीज लादने के लिए और हिंदू मानवाधिकारों पर हमला करने का एक सोची समझी रणनीति के तहत ही सब हो रहा है। आप देखिए कि पिछले 1 महीने से इन्होंने किस चीज का कोई जवाब दिया है? सीएए के अंदर एक भी कोई कमी नजर नहीं आई इनको। और ये हिंदू मानवाधिकारों के ऊपर, ये स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर जो जिस तरह से इसको आरोपित किया जा रहा है और जिस तरह से हिंदुओं के विरोध में नारे लगाए जा रहे हैं, भारत के विभाजन के लिए नारे लगा रहे हैं, तो इनसे सब इनकी जो भारत विरोधी मानसिकता है वो साफ साफ नजर आ रही है। बिकॉज आपने कई बार इनसे पूछा कि आखिरकार सीएए के अंदर कमी क्या है? नोबडी कैन able to explain you what this problem is there with the CAA। ये देखिए, ये जो है इसमें कहीं भी किसी धर्म के व्यक्ति के ऊपर कोई आरोप नहीं है। भारत के किसी भी नागरिक के साथ में कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। इसके बावजूद भी ये षड्यंत्र पूर्वक हिंदू मानवाधिकारों पर हमला करने, भारत के राष्ट्रीय प्रतीकों पर हमला करने का और उनको एक तरह से कलंकित करने का ये षड्यंत्र है। और ये एक बार नहीं, अनेक बार ये देखा गया है किस तरह के नारे ये लोग लगाते हैं, किस तरह के चिन्हों का ये यूज कर रहे हैं, किस तरह की भाषा का ये प्रयोग कर रहे हैं। ये सब ऑल एक्सपोज्ड। और ये देश की जनता समझ रही है कि हु आर दे। तो बेसिकली ये कि जिस तरह से इन्होंने ये सारा कुचक्र रचा हुआ है, जो जनता समझ रही है।
Bansal, I do appreciate you joining us. We'll of course continue to keep asking these questions to the protesters if they are not being misused or have they completely been overtaken by those opposing a certain religion and community altogether.